ever found inside amber. We know that amber is fossilized tree sap from the dinosaur era, and when bugs or animals got caught in the sap, they'd basically be frozen in time forever. Like this piece of amber not only has a wasp, but also 2 bubbles of water with air, meaning if this bubble popped, we'd be breathing in prehistoric oxygen. But what's crazier is they found a 54-million-year-old gecko frozen in time, even keeping every detail like its eyes, claws, and scales. But amber didn't just trap small creatures. It preserved pieces of dinosaurs too, as this is a 99-million-year-old dinosaur tail, which is the first